going to go into Photoshop and we're going to create a document that's 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels with the resolution of 72. We're going to hit create. All right, then we're going to go to File and we're going to place embed the conifer photograph like so, and we're going to resize it. I'm going to hold the Option key in order to resize it from the middle out, just so it covers the entire canvas. I'm going to scoot it over, not all the way, but to about right here, so I have a nice dark area where I can place my logo. Then what I'm going to do is switch over to Adobe Illustrator. I have this whole thing selected. I copied it previously, but in case you didn't, you can select it, press Command-C, go back to Photoshop, press Command-V, or Edit Paste in order to bring the logo in as a smart object. Please make sure that Add to My Current Library is unchecked, and then hit OK, and you'll see that we have placed the logo. And we should see through the tree area. That's the negative space. You should see through the text, as you can notice right in here. Next, what we're going to do is adjust a couple different settings. We're going to go to Effects, and we're going to go to Color Overlay, and we're going to set the color overlay to white, and we're going to make sure that the blend mode is set to normal, and our opacity is at 100%. We're going to hit OK right here. Then we're going to adjust the opacity of the layers. That's right here where it says opacity. We're going to set it from 50 from 100 to 50, like so we can actually see through it. You can actually go anywhere between 30 and 50, which will work pretty well for this design. I'm going to lower it down to 30. And finally, what we're going to do is adjust its size and position. So I'm going to click Show Transform Controls right here. Notice when I start to move this, I can see what my height and width is. I want to change my width. Notice it's linked right here to my height to 50%. So it's just half the size that it was. I'm going to check right here in order to commit the change, and then position it in the bottom right-hand corner like so. Go ahead, make sure that you save this, call this semi-transparent-final, and then go to File, and then export as a JPEG to your desktop and submit it to Google Classroom.